Okay, here we have a couple Comfortmaker central air conditioning units at a Holiday Inn Express hotel in my town. Currently neither of these are running. Here's this one. Copeland scroll compressor. That's a 4-ton from 2011. And here's this one. That's a 2-ton from 2010. Copeland scroll compressor. I think that compressor might actually be newer, possibly. And this vent just came on. And there are actually a couple more units over here. Here we have 2 Ruud units. And believe it or not, these 2 units are heat pumps. This one's running in heat mode. And they're mounted on legs too. That's a 1.5-ton from 2020. Here's this one. But yeah, they're heat pumps. There's a reversing valve down there. That one's from 2021 and it's a 1.5-ton. This unit doesn't look very frozen up. But yeah, just like a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.